back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to work on the Layla guitar solo, the second solo. Alright, so you got these two fingers, you're going to put them right here, kind of like in a staircase position. And then this finger is going to go right here, so you're going to pluck. I like to pluck, you can use the pick, doesn't matter. And then right there, so. Give it a little bit of bend if you like. And then go down the pentatonic scale with this little middle note here. And then slide down. And then give it a little vibrato. And then end on that note. So that whole thing. And then you got the same exact shape you did over here, right here. But it's on these two strings. And you're gonna do a little bit of a slide. It goes. And it's gonna do that 7 times, but on the 7th time it goes. And then slide back down. So. And then go up this pentatonic scale, so. And then instead of going to here, you're gonna go to here. Hammer on pull off very quickly. And then back down to here. And when you get to this note, he kind of does a little stall thingy on it. And then it hits it twice. And then. All right, so that whole section sounds like this. And then it goes. Kind of like the intro. And then down this pentatonic scale. I think. So. Yeah, that sounds about right. I will give you the second part next week. Good luck!